All right, Big Nate here. So I got this lift kit. I already got it powder coated, outgassed. Now I'm going to hand sand it and get it ready for some powder. It's gonna be a quick video. I ain't got much time. Let's do it. All right. We got them all sanded and hit it with that mean green, that painting prep spray from Eastwood. So we're gonna be doing these midnight metallic blue. Where's the bars? Let's do it. Let's get it done. All right. We got it all prepped up. Ready for some powder. Let's do it. Let's get it done. All right. We just hit it with that midnight metallic blue. About to throw it in the oven with the rest of the stuff. I'll show you in a little bit. Let's do it. Look at that. Fresh out the oven. Shit. Just getting it done. Midnight metallic blue. Coming at ya. What up? Fresh out the oven. Got that coat of midnight metallic blue. Now we're gonna hit it with that clear vision and make it look real good. Let's do it. Got that coat of clear vision. Getting ready to cure these bad boys. Let's do it. All right. Still at it. Got them 4 links in the oven. Got that midnight metallic blue on it. Gonna do a half cure, and then we're gonna go ahead and double up that coat, and then put a clear up after that. Let's do it. Look at that, fresh out the oven. Damn. Shit, what do you think about that, Jordan? Speechless. Oh, it's all right. It's all right. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Midnight metallic blue. Shit. All right. Got a coat of that clear vision. Let's do it. Let's keep it rolling. Shit. And that's how it's done. That's how it's done. Sick.